Hello, welcome to third video lecture of Python series. In this video, we will cover operators in Python. So, operators used in Python to perform arithmetic operations like add, subtract, multiply, division, modulus, exponential, negative, like this. So in Python different type of operators, like if you want to sum two number, so we will use a plus b, like a minus b, a into b. So here first function is our adding 4 and 8 and minus 6.5 minus 3, then multiply that result. So we will get here 42 because we have one float value, so we got float type result. So float division is truly division by factorial part. So like if we want to divide 11 divided by 2, we will got 5.5. If we don't want a result in float, only we want 5, so we will use double quotient like this. So here is our add, subtract, minus, multiply, division and float division. Then we will cover bitwise operation in Python. So in Python different type of bitwise operation like and, so we use a ampersand b, like bitwise or bitwise XOR, bitwise shift left or right, and bitwise not. And if you want to print binary number of any integer, we have function called bin. So here if we run this, we will get binary number of 10 because of 2 decimal is, like we also print like this. So here we got binary of 10, like binary of 4. Using XOR we perform 4 XOR 10, 14, like this. We can perform different type of operation. Here we assign 24 to a, then print a, then a plus 2 equal to 26. We also use like this, a plus equal to 2, then equivalent to a equal to a plus b. We have a equal to 26, so we will get 28 here. Sorry, 26 because we not assigned to a, so originally we had 24, so we got 26. So next is comparison operations in Python. So if we want to compare two variable, a equal to b, a less than equal to b, like this. If you want to 25 is odd or not, so 25 mod 2 equal to 1, so it will print true because 25 print odd number. If you want to check this, it will be false, like this. if you want to check condition a equal to 25, then a is greater than 15 and less than 30, so it will print true. Next, like compare this, then boolean operation, yes equal to 4, yes less than 6 and yes is greater than 2, so it will print true, like this. Here is yes is less than 6, so it will here true, then not of true is false, so here print false. So next is identity and membership operators. So if you want to check a and b are identical or not, so if we use a is b, so if it will identical, then it will print true, or if not, it will print false. So like list a element 1 to 3, list b element 1 to 3, so if we use a equal to b, it will print nothing because we didn't run here. So first we will run here, then we will run this, so it will print true, like this. We also use a is b, so it will print true, but here not true because of both are not identical, like identical object. So if we not, so here because false not true, if we assign a list a of element into b, then we use a is b, then it will true because both are identical, pointing same object. Then membership, if you want to check one is present in list of element or not, so one is present, so it will print row. So a2 is not in list but 2 is present, so it will present false because 2 in list, so not the reverse of true is false. So like this we can perform identity and membership operator like this. All you can practice from this Jupyter notebook, and comparison operators like equal to less than, these operators, and we learn bitwise operators and arithmetic operators. So in this Jupyter notebook I covered different type of operators in Python. So I will also provide this Jupyter notebook link, so you can practice from after download this Jupyter notebook in local computer or Colab. So at the end, thanks for watching. We will look next video. See you again.